Welcome in our geography session for standard 12th by Deshmukh madam. We discuss about the chapter 5th secondary economic activities and the industrial regions related with this chapter. In this video we discuss the industrial region of Russia. Russia is one of the important country in Asian continent. It is the biggest and largest country from Asian continent, as well as it is also developed country. In Russia, compared to their land area, almost the large land area is there, but some physical factors are also not suitable and supportive for the development of industrial sector in overall the Russian continent. That's why there are some industrial region are located in some specific area. In our syllabus there are the two industrial region from Russia is important. First, Siberia and the North Caucasus industrial region, and second, Vladivostok which is eastern part. It is located at the east part of Russia. It is important industrial region. It is located on the east coast of Russia at Pacific Ocean. Here is Vladivostok region in Russia. This is a southeast tip of Russian country or the Russia. It is highly developed. It is located at the coastal area in a Pacific Ocean region. This is also important region of Russia, east coast part of Russia. Now about the north part of Russia, this coastal area, it is a totally frozen, almost ice cap region is there. The rivers which are discharged in the Arctic Ocean, that rivers and their region is totally freeze in the almost 70% part of the year. Only 3 to 4 months in a summer season there is some development related with the atmosphere and the species of plantation and animals. Otherwise this region is totally ice cap region. This is known as a north part of Siberia. This is a Siberian region. There is a Siberian plain region is important for the industrial development. There is one important railway line is there, that is a Trans-Siberian railway line. It is from this west coast to east coast. This is the east part to west part of Russia. So this Siberian railway line is very important for the transportation and development of this industrial region. Then this Vladivostok region is away from this middle part of Siberia, but here is a high density of population as well as coastal area. That's why the climatic condition is also supportive for the human development compared to this other part. Now for Russia, you should remember this point for the map filling. This is a Siberian region and this is a Vladivostok region. Now industrial region in Russia. Which factors, human factors, are supporting for the localization of industrial region in Russia? There is government support. The government policies are there which is support to development of industrial region. About the Siberian industrial region, the government is also support to the development in a remote area which is now located in Siberian region. That is before some period there is a very low population density, but due to the support of government the population are migrated towards the Siberian region, and that area is also developed in a industrial sector. Then despite inhospitable climate, the climatic condition of Russia is not very supportive for the development. Compared to their land area, the climate is affect on the development, but the government and the people and the human resource is very important, and it is supportive for industrial development. Almost the Siberian region is very with a cold climatic condition in almost maximum period of the year. Port facilities developed. The east coast like Vladivostok and the other part which is located at the eastern region on a coastal area, there is a port facilities are there, and other transportation like railway transportation system is also very developed, highly developed in Russia. The long distance railway is there. Trans-Siberian Railway is one of the longest railway route in the world. That railway route is also known as a lifeline of Siberia. So the railway transportation is also support to heavy good transportation, and Trans-Siberian Railway then Vladivostok is also attached with each other. So that's why this development Russia, the industrial region of Russia are depend on the transportation system. Through the ports it is attached with the world through water transportation, and railway, the internal part of Russia is attached with each other for the transportation of raw material as well as finished product. Now industrial regions in Russia, and about the physical factors which are affecting on the localization of industries. We also observe the physical factor. Now which human factor, now which physical factors are affecting? There is a nearness of a coal field. Sorry, here is a coal field is there. Nearness of a coal field. The Ural mountain region and Siberian region, there is a important coal field of Russia's are there. There is a high deposit of iron and coal, and that is important for the basic industrial development, engineering industry, and as a power resource, coal is very important in the world. About the industrial development, coal is also one of the important power resource, which it is very easy to use, and that's why coal field in Russia's are very important for the industrial development. As well as there are the largest forest resources also there, the coniferous forest region, which is located in a moderate and cold climatic region towards the polar region. It is very important. Richest forest area is there. The quality of wood soft as well as lightweight wood is there, which is important for the industrial development. Natural gas field is also important from Russia. Russia export natural gas to European countries also. So the natural gas field and coal field both are important for the energy resource, as well as other mineral resources are also available in a Ural mountain region zone. Then extensive land area. The Russia have extensive and large land area. The steppes grassland is also supportive for the grain production, food grain production, and the other area is also fulfilled with the natural resources, mineral resources. That's why Russia is also it is a supportive for the development, industrial development. Coastline. The coastline at the east part, which is attached with the Pacific Ocean and the world, is very important. Almost the north part, Arctic Ocean, is not important and supportive for the development, but Pacific Ocean as well as Russia is also attached with the through the European Russia with Atlantic Ocean. So this is also important for the Russian development. Now industrial region in Russia, which industries are there? Major industries from industrial region of Russia: chemical, food processing, steel industries, transportation equipment industries, cement as well as mining industries are also developed in Russia. Petroleum, due to the natural gas and resources are there, as well as coal farm are there. Russia is also developed in software and pharmaceutical industrial development. So almost all types of industries are developed in Russia, in Moscow as well as Siberian region with the Caucasus mountain region. Okay, in this way we can complete the discussion related with Russia. Russia is one of the important country from Asian continent, and its development, that is the Siberian part as well as the Vladivostok region, is almost depend on the transportation system, railway transportation system as well as port, which is related with Vladivostok is one of the important port city. So in this way we can discuss and cover the industrial region in Russia. Okay, thank you.